Hello friends, myself Gandhar Kumar. I am taking power electronics for electrical engineering students of this semester. In the previous lectures, we are discussing about the various things which are related with the power electronic devices like the combination, series and parallel combination, how to increase or decrease the capacity of the SCR or how we are give the protection of the SCR. Now we will just update our lectures and we are moving towards the control rectifiers. That what exactly the application of the SCRs. We are now discussing all this one under these lectures. So under over here we are first we will start from the AC to DC converter and their classification of their rectifiers. As you already discussed in the rectifiers in your previous semesters, that we have the half-wave rectifiers, full-wave rectifiers, these rectifiers, and like that, and their operation, how they are operating. But now we are just discussing on the basis of the operation by using a controlled rectifier, controlled device. Because the diode we are assumed as a device which are operating on a low voltage and a low current, and they will just start by the position of the 0 degree angle, and it will be operate up to the 180 degree, and there is a non-controllable device. But now we are just discussing about the devices which are controllable in nature. So over here, but first we are just looking over the classification that how many types of rectifiers are there. So first thing, the rectifiers are normally the two types. First is the single phase type and the three phase type. There will be the uncontrolled rectifier, half wave, full waves, split supply, or this type of rectifier. Split supply means we have the uh, center type of transformer we are using, and we are using the two diodes, and we are connecting in such a manner that it will be working as a full rectifier. So that type of full source we are called as a split type, and another one will be the bridge type. So they are the this type of rectifier we already discussed in the previous semester. In case of the electronics, that how a half-wave rectifier and a full-wave rectifier can work, and what are their rectification efficiency, how we are just figure out the signals and like that. But now we are discussing all the single-phase rectifier with respect of the half controlled or fully controlled in nature. Half controlled and fully controlled are the two categories which we are using over here. Or we can say that under the fully controlled, there will maybe the sorry, in case of the half controlled, it will also called as a semi-controlled rectifier. In second category will be the three phase. Three phase again, because the same process will be there. In case of by using the only diodes, then it will comes under the uncontrolled half wave and the full bridge rectifier. But if we are using the controllable devices like the SCRs, we are using the BJT, power BJT, power MOSFET, and other such devices, then we are called it as a controlled. So under this one again there is a half controlled and full controlled half wave and the full bridge rectifier. A rectifier is an electrical device that is made of one or more than one diodes or controlled device that converts the alternating current into direct. It is used for rectification where the process below shows that how it converts AC into DC. Actually, the rectification is the process of conversion of alternating current, which periodically changes direction into direct current flow in a single direction. There will be the various types of rectifiers which we already discussed in the previous slide. Now there are mainly two types of rectifiers: uncontrolled rectifier and the controlled rectifier. Bridge rectifiers are of many types, and the basis of classification can be many. To name a few type of supply, bridge circuit configuration, controlling capabilities, etc. Bridge rectifiers can be broadly classified into single and three-phase rectifier based on the type of input they can work on. Both of these types include Further classification which can be made into both single and three-phase rectifiers are first one is the control rectifier, a type of rectifier whose output voltage can be varied or changed is called controlled rectifier. The need for a controlled rectifier is apparent when we look into the shortcomings of an uncontrolled bridge rectifier. To make an uncontrolled rectifier into a controlled one, we use current controlled solid state devices such as SCRs, MOSFETs, IGBTs, GTOs, and like that. We have the full control when SCRs are switched on or off based on the gate pulses we apply to it. These are generally more preferred than their uncontrolled counterparts. It is composed of one or more than one SCR, silicon control rectifier. It's also known as the thyristor is a three-terminal device. These terminals are anode, cathode, and a control input known as gate. Just like a simple diode, an SCR conducts in a forward bias and blocks current in reverse bias, but it only starts forward conduction when there is a pulse as a gate input. So the output voltage can be controlled by using the gate input signal. There are normally the three types of control rectifier: half wave control rectifier, full wave control rectifier, or bridge control rectifier. So these are the different types of control rectifier which we are in this lecture only discussing about the types of rectifiers are there and how it will be working. Now we